So Android 12L Beta 1 is now live and you guys can officially install it on your Pixel or non-Pixel smartphone via GSI. Here there are tons of changes and fixes in this OS. I'm gonna show you all of them. Okay, so this OS is basically for large screen devices. There's 2-column layout, multi-window support, Material U and whatnot. The exciting part is we have some main changes for small screen devices as well, and by small screen I mean Pixel 4, Pixel 6, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, all main smartphones we have right now. So the animations are like really smooth and fast. Here's one in slow motion and I can feel that difference in terms of opening and closing animation, or in terms of opening a quick setting tile, the animation is now smooth. There are some massive visual changes. This is the new quick wall selection settings which you can access from home screen. So there are recent max 5 walls you can pick from, and this works great. The user interface is now easy to reach, like quick settings shows the expanded settings in the center of screen. So if you select Wi-Fi quick settings or screen recording, you will see the expanded settings in the center. Some big changes in the recent split screen mode. There's application pairing, which means you can open both applications at same time from recent. The icons will show side by side, which means they are multi-window paired. See, in terms of UI UX, the Material U design is now spreading in settings, buttons, clear all icons in recent and whatnot. So yes, it's all material and colorful in the A12L. The settings has got some improvements as well. In display color settings, we now have some more images to see how the colors like natural, adaptive is gonna look like in different modes. The battery usage section shows AM, PM, so exact data you can say. You can now also add multiple users from lock screen, which is like an instant switch to a different profile. So yes guys, this is pretty much it, A12L for Pixel devices. This is the timeline, so we're gonna see 2 more betas before the final release, which may happen in Feb or March. Yeah, I guess they'll launch Pixel 6 with A12L out of the box. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.